All right, so this is the final capstone project. Okay, I'll use a comment to describe this now. I will say, let me just write this like this: final capstone project. So I will say enterprise AI recruitment screening system. Yes. So let's start. So as you know, we use this for just decoration purpose. So at this time we'll put 60. 60. So say this. So I'll say enterprise AI recruitment. Enterprise AI recruitment screening system. Then I will print so let's say 60 and then let's be sure it's working. So um, let's push this to the right a bit. Okay, this one again and be sure it's working. So it's working. It's working. It work. So don't forget to always clear your screen so that you will have a very clean work on your console. So I will say requirements or required skills. So required skills. Let's say Python, SQL, SQL. So we are using set here. So cloud. Then the next one is AI. Just used AI. So we say candidate. So candidate name will be put the candidate's name. So it's more like we want to build a very unified application. Candidate name. So let's say candidate skills. Candidate skills. So this one too will be input. So the candidate can enter their skills. So you can say enter skills. Let me put this. Let me just say combine. Just for you to comma separated. Okay, so we'll say skills. So we will convert the skills to set. Convert the skill to set. So let's say candidate skills. First of all, we are also converting it to lowercase. Then also we are going to split. So anyhow you input the skill, it will be it's not going to break the program. So matched, let's just say matched underscore skills equals to let's say this is empty. So we are going to append use the append keyword. So in skills So we say skill equals to, let's say skill dot strip. So strip any space that you find. So skills in acquired skill, acquired skills. Then let's say match skills. So when the skill is matched, then it will append and they will be stored inside the skill. Append. So after stripping here, then they'll be stored inside this match skills, which is an empty list. In other programming language, you call them array. So we say score. We say score equals so length. Yeah, let's say match skills. So let's say candidate. So we are going to use yes, dictionary now. So we'll say the name, the candidates, then let's call candidate name, then we'll say match skills, match underscore skills, match skills, then we'll assign it to our match skills. So you see, then the score will be assigned to score as well. Assigned to score. It's as simple as that. Then let's put some space. Let's say print space. So let's say print. Let's say this. Let's use this to just put some. So print. Now say screening report. So we'll say report. So the screening report. Now we can now say print and date. Candidate. Then let's say name. So name. So space again. Then we can say print. Then match skills now. Let's say match skills. Then let's look through. We now say for skill in candidate. So can now call the match skill now. This is it. Okay, this is it. Okay, we have to put it in code. Okay, so this is correct. Then we can now say, let's just say print for some space. Then we can say print total skills match. Look, guys, you need to really practice this. This is excellent. This is very good, and there are a lot here. So we are using length to look for the length of the candidate, of the skills, length of this candidate skills. So yeah, So this is it. Then we print again. Then we can say final. Can say final score. Final score candidates. Then and I'll say score. Print again. Then let's put some condition. So candidate, so score greater than or equals to 4. Then print. Can print and say status. Let us say highly recommended. Then can say elif candidates score greater than or equals to 3. Then we can print status. Say let's say shortlisted. Then we can say elif again. Candidates score. So this time it will be greater than or equals to 2. So let's print equals to 2. Let's say status. Then we have consider. Then let's say S. Status. So just know anytime you get rejected, there's something like this working behind the scene that is rejecting you. So, brother, sister, you need to practice. You need to practice all these things. And after practicing, you just need to, work on your CV well. And there you go. So then let's see. And let us use the word end of report. End of report. Then yes, so that is it. That is it. It's quite so good here. This is quite good here. It's a lot. You can see. This is just decoration, and this is the list of skills. This is the list of skills required, and this is where the candidate will have to enter their name. It will ask the candidate, then the candidate will enter their skills. Then here it's going to change the skill to what? To lowercase. Then also split them. Change them to lowercase. Then it's going to split them with comma, and everything will be stored here. The skill you enter there will be stored here. Then there is an empty list here. So you have something you want to look through skill. So you're saying skill in skills. So you have all your skills stored here. So you say skill is equals to skill dot strip. So if there is any space, within the word, it will do what? It will strip them and store them here. Then there is conditional statement here. There is condition here saying if skill in required skill. So if the skill the candidate have entered here is among all the skills, that's what he's saying here, then it will do what? It will be stored in this place. It will be stored. That's why you are using the append keyword. This is placed inside the append. Then it will be stored here. then the score. So this is another variable. Then the length of what? Of the skills. How many skills does this candidate have? How many skills does the candidate have? Python, SQL, Cloud, and AI. So it's going to count. So if the candidate have 5, it will count and store them here. Then this candidate information is stored as a dictionary here, and it's being placed inside the candidate dictionary. So you have the name of the candidates is being fetched from here, candidate's name, while the match skills is being here, fetched from here and stored here. Then we also have the score is being fetched from here and stored here. Basically, it's being stored here. So we have them in what? In dictionary now. Now it is well arranged. And then we have, just for decoration, then we have print candidate, then it will print the candidate's name, then it will also print match skills. Then we are now looking through the candidates and candidates skills now. Now, so we have this that is storing from here. Now, this is the match skills. Match skills. We are matching this into this. So for you to access what is inside the dictionary, you have to do what? You have to put them inside the square bracket. Inside the square bracket. So you have the dictionary candidates, then the attribute inside the dictionary, which is this. So they are all now stored inside the skills. So you are now print, then you are printing out the skills. You see, printing out the skills. Then secondly, you are printing out the total skilled match. So you print out, you use the length keyword to look for the word for the match. For the match, you use the length keyword to look for the match. So the skills, how many skills? Then it will give you the length. Don't forget we use the length here for skills, match skills, then match skills. So we've used it here before. Match skills. Then final score candidate, which is coming from here. Then you now print this score, which is here. Print the score here. Then now if candidate score is greater than or equals to 4, it will print status highly recommended. This is highly recommended. Then if candidate score is greater than or equals to 3, it will print status shortlisted. It is being shortlisted either for interview or for interview chat. Then if candidate is greater than or equals to 2, it will print status, then consider for what? Interview. It will print status rejected. So you are rejected if you did not meet up to the score, then end of the program. So let's run the program and see. I'm going to come here and print the program right away. So so you have the candidate name is let's say Jude. Then the skills, so we can say Python. Then we have Java. Then we have SQL. We have Cloud. So you can see now we have the skills entered is what? Python, Java, SQL, and Cloud. You can see. Then the screening report is this Jude. Jude has match skills is what? Cloud, Python, then SQL. So total skill is what? 3. Then final score is what? Is 3. Then startup shortlisted for what? For interview. So thank you for watching. You can run this test and go through it. So this is a very good program that will get you started with Python. These are mini programs that will make you get familiar with the code. So these are the things we've been using. We've been trying to practice from day 1, from the week 1, day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, up to day 7 of week 1 and day 7 of week 7. Thank you for staying with us, and I wish you well in your journey.